Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a rank item using daily training points in FIFA Mobile. So rank items is a very important item that you can rank this guy, for example. So the best is for Iron Ross, the best is 113, this one. So you can use the rank up items or rank items one and get this iron rust until 114. Just rank up. And for another example in this, Yusufa Mukoko had a best 114. So I already rank up by 2 level and he is now 116 as you can see. So you need rank up items to level up to rank up these guys or your player. You can get these rank up items by doing this tab lab event, tab daily training. So please do this every day so you can get these daily training points and you can redeem it in here with this rank item +1. So this item used to rank up your player. You can get 4 rank item here by exchanging 75. So I've got 14 now because I already exchanged some item. You have to collect or you have to save the item until 75. So it means you have to do this or do the daily training every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.